So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Wednesday, 25th of October. Now let's have a look at what happened with prices on the 24th of October. So let's just grab the pen. So 24th began there. We did find some support in around this 113.20 region. We did have a momentum candle there for a test of the 113.56. We did come up, we didn't quite actually get up to these highs in and around these previous highs. We did see some weakness and a sell-off. Now the sell-off took us down to this 13.56, this strong level I had previously identified over here. It's been identified for a couple of months now, and as you can see, a perfect touch from this 13.56, where we did see some buy momentum of this momentum candle here, and we do seem to have a continuation. So this overall move, this pull back down to support, we do see buyers come back into the market, and prices do look poised to test the level previously identified of 1430 on the chart. So let's just have a look. So the level above us is 1430, and as we are pretty close to it, we have to look at the levels beyond that, as we are only 33 pips away. Beyond 1430, if we do see a break, 1430 is a very strong level. So if we do see a break of 1430, we're definitely be looking at 1474, beyond which 1537. Can't imagine 1537 will come into play on Wednesday 25th, but it's definitely a level definitely a level we would have to have a look at. If we do break down again the very strong level that we've seen buying from before, in and around this 13.56 will definitely what we'll be looking at, below which we've got these 12.77. We have also got the 200 and 400 period average sitting around that 12.77 region, so we might see some support in around there. But overall, the trend is pretty clear. We have a trend which is to the upside with a series of higher lows and higher highs. So the overall trend is to the upside, and for a test of this major level of 1430, we might see a sell-off back down to 13.56, or we could have a bit of consolidation for a break and a move up to 14.74. So we're just going to have a look at the old weekly time frame, and let's just have a look at the weekly time frame, see where we are. The weekly time frame, it's a very messy chart at present, but on this weekly time frame, let's just be quick on this weekly time frame. So we've had our lows over here, and we've had a high up here as well, but we had a move which was sloping to the downside. We had a series of what seemed to be lower highs. We made a low there, a higher low, but we made a lower low in and around 117.32. We saw strong buy momentum indicated there, and we did have a bit of a pullback, 2 weeks of pullback before a strong candle indicating a strong bull flag continuation pattern. We've had a pullback, which is a bit of a bull flag onto this 200 period average, marked out here in blue, can be identified there. We saw some strong buying momentum coming to the market, and from there, let's just get this chart. So we did have the we did see some buying momentum come in and around that 1180 region, and we did see a bit of continuation. So we look poised to test these highs here, identified by these red arrows on the chart, in around that 1430 region. So we're going to have a look at the daily time frame, where it is more visible. So as it can be identified here, we've got this let's go there quickly. So we've got the 1430 previously identified here in red. We've got the 2 arrows as well, and yeah, that's where we expect prices to go at present. So we did have a bit of a bull flag form here. We've pulled back down to this 200 period moving average. We've also got a major level of 1160 identified, and we saw a break to the upside. Now, of concern on yesterday's analysis was this bearish candle closing near its lows, but it's immediately negated by the bulls today on the 24th, which is a very good sign that the bulls have actually stepped in immediately into the market and negated the bearish momentum of the previous day. So overall, we are expecting continuation up to the 1430, beyond which, again, we've already identified levels, as can be seen on the chart. So that should wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.